Good morning, students. Welcome to Wednesday, September 16th of online learning. Just wanted to say hello and remind you that of a few things. There is a Google Meet today here with me at 11 o'clock to 11:15, so make sure you come say hi to your friends and join us here. I also want to remind you of Picture Day on this coming Monday, the 21st. So if your parents want pictures, they can bring you in with your mask and you can get your pictures taken. Also, there are SCP conferences next week, so make sure your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever your grown up is at home, make sure they sign up for it. Last week, I had you guys draw pictures of your favorite animal jumping over a rainbow. And these are some awesome pictures. I love the colorful rainbows. They look awesome. I like how you wrote what animals they are. Dogs, cats. Oh, looks like a unicorn and it looks awesome. A giraffe going over. That's a very colorful rainbow. That's good. And an alligator. Oh, this one's saying bark bark. I like it. This one's under a rainbow. That works. But you guys drew some fun pictures. I like it from last Wednesday. Oh, that's a cool unicorn. Good job, guys. Real quick, so our Google Classroom organization and master tracker for today looks like this. Remember, get your morning assignment done like you're watching the video now. You have all these things to get done for fourth grade, and then you've started rounding, so make sure you look at the mastery tracker and complete any of the levels you didn't complete yesterday. Same with my third graders. Here's today's assignments, and then we have addition here and all the levels that we've been working on. So make sure you go back and pass all the levels that you don't have green on. And let's see what else I have. You guys are doing so much better. You are giving me the answers where you need them. You're not typing me a message. So thank you. You guys are doing awesome. So here's your answer to question 1. Are you going to tell your grown-up at home to sign up for SCP conferences? The answer is yes, so please do it. And also, when is picture day? Or what day is picture day? It's a Monday, so make sure uh, you get those answers correct because it's super easy. Thanks for tuning in. I can't wait to see your drawings for this week. See you guys.